Hello friends, today I will show you how to use automation and to automate your processes, and that will be end-to-end process. So I know everyone is facing a problem those days. Everyone wants to automate the things to get, let's say, for example, postings from let's say Instagram to Twitter, or for Facebook to Instagram, or things like that, or you want to collect, let's say, some surveys, and you want to get those straight away in your Power BI data visualization tool, or on Tableau, or whatever data visualization tool you use. So for that I will help you today. What we will use today, we will have to use Microsoft Power Automate first. After that we will use Microsoft Power BI. We will use Microsoft Forms and Microsoft SQL Studio. So I will show you first what we should expect to get. So first, what we will do, we will create this flow from Microsoft Power Automate, which will help us to get the data, to pull the data from the Microsoft Forms, to get the responses, to insert them in SQL Studio, and from there to put them in Power BI. Okay, so let's say if we will do it now, a short test, what we will get. Let's say I'll just click in here. So let's say I'll go in SQL, and let's say I'll use this piece of code here. And I will just run this. So we see that we have 3 entries in our SQL table there. I created the database there, just a test database. It's just a dummy database. So basically, let's see what we can get from here. So, which is the most popular car make? So this is just a dummy form. Okay, so let's say we put here Renault. We can see that we don't have Renault in here. Okay, now let's say we give to Donald Trump 3 stars. When you bought your first car, so just random questions. So let's put there March 2020. Let's submit this. Submit it. Okay, so now if I'll go in here and if I run my piece of code, we can see that we have the entry in here automatically. So from Forms is going to SQL, and the surprise is that if you go in your Power BI now, so we can see that the 3 stars we have there. I need to check, for that we need to check the refresh. So what's refreshed? So the refreshing thing here. So I need, how I did the refreshing, I just created a gateway, and this will refresh my data set there. Now let's go through this step by step to show you how I did this.